In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So if you're looking for the best customer service, backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.